Hi everybody! Welcome to another Creative Berries Connect the Dots drawing video. As part of the emoji series, we're going to be drawing this scared emoji. So make sure to go in the description below and get your PDF and draw with me. Let's get started. Grab your pen and we're going to start at number 1 and go 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way around to 16 and back to 1. Now you can do two things. You can draw freehand all the way around, or you can use a template like a bowl. I'm going to be using a bowl because it's the perfect size for my emoji. And this is how you get perfect circles. Markers can damage bowls, so make sure that you ask your mom and dad if it's okay that you use one of the bowls. And once we're done, I'm going to go from A, B, C, D all the way around and making the eye of the emoji. From HI and back to A, you're going to be doing a curve inwards instead of going all the way around because you want your emoji to look scared. So we're going across just like this. HI and back to A. And I've taken my lines and I've gone past the letters, just like that. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side to create the other eye. There we go. Now that I'm done that, we're going to work on the mouth next. So we're going to start at A, follow along with the letters and make smooth curves. I continue all the way around to R and then connect back to A. First details that we're going to work on are the eyes. I draw a semicircle inside of the first eye, just like that. And I'm going to try to replicate it and do the same thing on the other side. So just a nice smooth circle. If you have trouble doing smooth curves, you can always get a circle template or what's called as a French curve. You can get those in most art supply stores, and they really help to make nice smooth curves and circles. I've done small circles in the center of the eyes, and now what I'm working on are the teeth, and what I'm doing here is curves to create the gums. And I try to do it equally on both sides, as much as you can. Now I'm going to bring my ruler and we're going to draw straight lines for the teeth. And I'm going to connect those upward curves from the gums straight up for the teeth. As you're drawing, if you're going ahead and realize you don't like how you've done it, you've messed up some of your lines, it's okay to stop what you're doing and try again. I think I'm going to do that with mine. I'm not very happy with how the eye turned out. And that's okay. Practice makes perfect. Finally, I do a curve in the center to create the upper and lower teeth. And there you go, you've got your scared emoji. Now we color it. Most emojis are yellow, so I picked the yellow color as the base of the face. I've gone ahead and I've picked black, I've picked pink, and I've picked gray to finish off the other colors of the face. The pink I'm using for the gums, the gray I'm going to be using for shadows, and the black is for the eyes. Color in your eyes with either your Sharpie marker or you can use a black marker, whichever one you like. Now I'm coloring the gums with the pink and I'm using my gray for shadows on the teeth and around the eyes. I'm adding a few shadows with a yellow marker under the eyes as well. And there you have it, you've got your scared emoji. Thanks everybody for watching. Check out the next emoji video. Bye!